Hello, it's me, Super Joe Mike. You're probably wondering how we got here. Well, I have a totally not paid for promotion that I'm not sponsored by in any way. I decided to try it out on camera because I haven't done anything on YouTube in a long time. And maybe this is going to become punishment for my laziness. Because what we're going to try out today is Kanashi. Kanashi nose waxing kit to wax that nose beard. As you know, I am a man of convictions. It shows by the way hair sprouts from my face. Doesn't take long. They have deep roots. Deep roots that will probably cause me pain later, because I seem to have not read the directions completely. Completely. You see, Windows says not to overfill. But let's get to that later, as I try to push this off until the last moment possible. Look, Kanashi post-waxing balm wipes to moisturize and help remove wax residue. I'm sure that these will soothe my burning flesh. Hey, look what they decided to include. Little stickers that you could put to cover your beard and mustache and other facial hair that you do not wish removed. As the directions say, hold your upper lip down with one finger and insert the wax-covered stick into your nostril. Rotate the stick as you insert it to catch all the nose hairs. You could also use the mustache stickers we provided to cover up your facial hair. Your call. Either way, be careful not to catch any facial hair. You are nose beard waxing, not beard waxing. Do not move the applicator once it has been inserted. Also, it says to wait for 90 seconds, but I put this on downstairs and it probably have been closer to 5 minutes. And I am still not procrastinating. It's already happened. I'm delaying the inevitable. Oh. Comes in this nice little cup. Still kind of warm, but you microwave it. Look, it has a little okay thing. I got a green card. On the back, it says that these are all the applicator sticks are made of compostable bioplastic. Oh, I'm told to congratulate. Not only are you about to become a nasal waxing hero, but you're also helping to be a responsible, forward-thinking company. Oh, helping them feel like it is getting cool. Eco-friendly. Even the applicators themselves. Now, at some point, I'm supposed to rip these out of my skull. Keep out of reach of children. I should have read that part first. I'm a child. But while I did this, I wanted to well, basically I just want to get on here and say that I'm not gone. I'm been doing Twitch a lot, and I've also been busy with work, ministry, and let's be honest. It was editing videos is hard, okay? I'm not that good at it. But I still enjoy making videos, and I still enjoy interacting with you guys. So, I want to keep doing this. So I'm going to probably try to transition into making short videos for YouTube and do the long stuff on stream on Twitch, which I actually stream on and Facebook. So, that's pretty much all I wanted to do. anything after this is me stalling for time because I do not, as you can see, have hurts. Oh no. Oh, that's really in there too. How do these feel? 'Cause, I mean, I'm preparing myself for these. I'm hoping that everything just comes out in one rip. I want to move the microphone just away a little bit. Do I do both at the same time, or do I? I didn't plan any of this. Or do I just do one at a time? Because I think the one on the right, I most part didn't get any wax. Probably some strays. This boy. What even moves the wax? Oh no. Oh, I watched these videos of people putting this stuff on their heads or beards, getting it pulled off in the excruciating pain. I laughed. Shouldn't have laughed at them. It was really funny, but these people are idiots. Why would they do that? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one. Do it. Do it. I think that's better grip. Should I do the big one first? Like prison rules, pick the toughest person, take them out? Should I just go after this one? And then the second one will hurt, but not as much. I like that logic because this is the unknown. Try to play sniffle. Okay, okay. Everybody count down from 3. Okay? Not yet. Not yet. I know you guys are already counting. Stop. Okay. Count down from 3, and I'm gonna do it. But we're gonna do this together. So just imagine however I react, I want you to do the same thing out loud, no matter where you're at. So if you're watching this in public, people who are near you should make noises in such a way that they think, "Wow, you sound like you just pulled all the hairs out of your nose simultaneously, and maybe some on your lip." That's what we're going for. So hopefully you're not in public, but if you are, should have known. Right? You came to my channel. You were okay. Okay. Enough stalling. 3, 2, 1. Ow! Oh no, it's still there. That wasn't that bad. Rusty. Holy. Ow. Oh. It's. Oh. I have some scissors. Maybe I could. Ew, disgusting. Expecting it to be. You guys want to see? That. This camera. Probably for the better. Oh no, it's still there. Okay, I think I could just one hand the next one, but I gotta get some scissors, I think, and cut this out. Oh no, not slow. Gotta be fast. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one hurt more. More. Oh. Oh. It's significantly worse. Oh, that one was worse. Oh. Ink on this one. Should I give her a tug-a-rooney? Okay, I'm pulling on the lip part. 3, 2, 1, and oh, my arms, they're fighting against. Oh, it only got part, but the pain. Oh, that's so bad. Skinny scissors, hold on.
Okay. Oh. Why did I do this? Oh! It's this one little piece. All the nose hairs in my skull are gone. Already fine. But I have this. Oh no. Not good. I have pliers. I have pliers? I don't know if I have pliers. Sure, I'll be back. I'll be back. Hi. So, Hinashi nose Brazilian waxing for your nose. It works. My nose has never been more clear. I have a bald spot on my because I had to cut and shave that specific. Don't worry, hair grows fast. It'll be back in no time. And then I'll have to do this again. Maybe. Hinashi!